Rere tiria mbere kana ria keri mutino ta uyu kuhanika itora-ini ria Fort Tanan. Kuringana na uthuthuria wa ruhonge ruria ruthurimaga uigiririkia barabara-ini, mutino uyu uria wahanikire thiku 4 hituku wacungiriirio ni ihenya inene oro undu umwe na gukorwo ati speed governor ya mbathi ino niyathogetwo.
The vehicle had a governor, but the governor was not there. Speed governor was not there. You could see the valve had been there, so one time it had a governor. Looks like the owner maybe they go for inspection and then they remove the governors. Because from the signs we were seeing, the governor was not even removed at the accident scene, because you could see you look at the valve and you see the age of the valve and the wear and tear. It looks like the governor had been removed prior to the accident.
Mbathi ino ningi irerikana gukorwo itakinyaniirie ikiro cia ukui.
The vehicle is a little bit old. The body was poorly done. Because if you look at the body, it has a lot of spot welding. Spot welding should not be done on anything that is made for farmers.
Mucie kwa mwene mugunda uyu haria mbathi ino yagaragariire no kiehana ihoru makiuga ni manogetio ni mitino mingi iria ikoretwo ikihanika mugunda-ini uyu.
Mimi naathirika hapa kwa karibu na barabara, nikipata shamba mahali chingine angalie bila atanisaidia.
Kila siku magari anaanguka kwa hiyo shamba. Hakuna mimi napeleka watoto mahali ngine.
Andu 58 nio makuire mutino-ini uyu uria wahanikire wa gatatu kiumia giki. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Muthoni wa Njoroge.